you get the tickets?
I did. Got the tickets.
Oh, look at that. Going the right way?
Going the right way, NOC.
Yay. Look at that. Steam powertrain. Walk down the whole thing. Look at this old timer right here.
Wow, no kidding. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, I don't have a...
Oh, who? Mom? You said
hey,
hi.
Mom.
Hey, Mom.
I'm on television.
Yeah. Silver Star. This is our train right here. Just met a nice couple. He's a pastor. I think she does
She homeschooled both of her kids.
Yeah.
They both graduated from college. So
They like YouTube, so they subscribe to our channel, and that's really awesome of them to do that.
the reason why they're on the train today is one of their friends. It's their birthday.
Oh, it's her birthday?
Yep.
Is that the one that never rode a train
She's
before?
never rode a train before.
Oh, that's pretty
She's
cool.
super excited.
A little cute little setup there.
Yeah. Look at the stars.
Oh my God, it's full of stars. We're going over a river. We're on a bridge. Look at that. Oh. Wow. This is much easier than kayaking 8 miles. I'll tell you that. This is my chicken salad. Some nice vegetables, coleslaw with chicken salad on this bun thingy here. Susie has to use pulled pork.
I have potato salad and coleslaw. I don't think you have any.
Do you hear the
Civil
steam
War.
engine? Do you hear?
Pre-Civil War house.
So her whistle is patented and we are the only one that has it.
Oh wow.
There is not a whistle in the world that sounds like our 1702.
That is so cool. We're on a train. For those of you who wanted to know what the bathroom looks like, it's actually fairly big. 2 sinks, little toilet. Yeah. This is it. There we go. Now that I missed the best shot. Oh, the bridge! Probably come inside, huh? God's interesting. Right there. That's 5 feet. Big steel girders going right by our head. We'll get chopped off. I don't know, it's kind of nice after. Although it was nice camping this whole time. No? Going over a little, going under a bridge, roadway. Cool little marina out there with some cabins. It's like pretty cool. This train is long. See, I guess that last one looks like an electric car.
Am my boyfriend didn't warn me not to step on a wet rock, and I stepped on one, and I went in the river.
Right in the water.
Only waist down. It wasn't like my whole body, but that water is very cold. It is very cold.
We were rafting yesterday.
Flying.
Way down. Supposed to hold on to that.
I know.
Priorities.
And then he didn't even pay attention, so he turned around and I'm still laying and I'm laughing because it was funny. I didn't expect it to happen. So I'm sitting here laughing and he was like, "What happened to you?" Well, I fell in the lake or in the river. And I was like, "I stepped on a wet rock." He was like, "You're not supposed to do that."
You bail out?
You didn't tell me about that in Fishing 101.
We never got this close. You can see it kind of from the river, but not well.
Yeah, they take rocks from this side and bring them over here to gravel them up.
Oh, wow. It's so cool.
Like
The
you'll
gravel
see-
going up the little elevator there. The gravel should be a green elevator. It's a rock. What kind of rock? Igneous.
It's talcum lava.
Talcum.
This is our first trip in on the Great Smoky Mountain Railroad, and I really enjoyed it. It's beautiful back here. It's been a beautiful day. The scenery is just really, really nice. And just hearing the history about behind the train and how they started, I guess, followed it and everything, and started back going again. And the food has really been good too. Makes you a little dizzy trying to walk through the train though. What happened? I think I had a little bit of accident up there or something. I don't know what happened, but anyway, I think that they said there was like 17 cars. There were 17 cars, she said, and in this one train, this one, they said there were 17 people, I believe she said. So it'd be interesting to see how many people total are on this trip. And we just went through the Nantahala Gorge and we're on the way back. So it's really nice. And we met these fun folks from Tampa, Florida. Really nice to meet you, and I've enjoyed knowing your channel. I'm definitely going to be watching your channel. So, and this is my husband as well. His name is Aaron. And we came with these friends here, Phyllis and Gary, and it's her birthday. So, but anyway, we appreciate knowing y'all, meeting you, and we're enjoying the channel. So look up her channel.
Happy birthday!
Get a road? Yeah.
So what do you call it?
I call it a railroad spike, but it's honestly a loose caboose with moonshine.
So that's blackberry moonshine, and mine has the blueberry moonshine.
And they're both
It's
made
great.
with lemonade and Sprite.
Lemonade and Sprite.
Cheers.
Clink. There we go. Look at that. This is our cheesecake. Both of us got the same thing.
I just
Looks
got the
very
photo.
tasty. What?
I was like, where's your fork?
We don't have an apple turned over to look at. That's okay.
The air conditioning.
Tubing in the afternoon. Look at these rocks. They're big rocks.
How much dynamite they had to do to get the railroad in here.
The train tickets come with free admission to the Smoky Mountains Trains Museum. This train collection includes 7,000 Lionel engines, cars, and accessories. The museum also has a children's activity center, toy, and gift shop.
Someone's making noises.